Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can insert a data using RESTful API post method here using fetch function in React Native with Typescript. Now we are going to update the information for the same. Post we use for insert a new information and put we use for updating information. So here I am going to implement the put function for that. So I create one more module or component. I say fetch put.tsx. Remember that here, because put and post both are same, nothing different here. One is used to insert information, one is used to update information, but almost code are same. So I am taking the same code here. I copy this from the post and I put here in the put. Remember that same code I am taking here and I am updating it here also. In place of post I will use put, but I make some changes that is required. So first change that is required is I am not using here use effect, I am using button. So save this. So first change is the API, because here we need to put the ID to which we want to modify. So I copy this REST API, only one data at a time we can update, not all data. So I need to change this. So I just copy and paste here. So I am providing ID number 1 to which I want to update. Then in place of post I need to put, you see, rest of information is same, the data which we want to update. So here we want to put the ID number 1, remember, and the information. So I modify this and here you see I have a ID 111. So I change it to ID 1, or I can give any ID whatever I want to display. It's a fake information, nothing special in it. This information would not be really update on a server because this is fake API, but the behavior of the working of the code is same. So here we have this information. Now suppose I want to update this information. I say it's a put method, not the post, and the ID I want to change it to 666 user ID that I want to modify. Everything is same, data type of this is same and this information is same, checking data. If it's successfully inserted, this data successfully updated, then we have this information, then we have data and we are inserting this data again and we are making this information true, and I say record updated. In the previous video I have explained this how we can change it. And now we have a button, so I can say updated data, and here we have a function insert data, nothing special. We can say update data or insert data, function name is same, nothing is special in it. And here I say updated data like this. Save this, data will display here and everything is same, nothing is special. So now I try to execute it, and if it will successfully execute, it will return the information same. So I modify this and I import this here. I say fetch put. Remember that I need to change the name of this also, otherwise it will be the same. So I need to change it to the put that I want to export also. I say put, not the post. Save this. Now I would be able to fetch it here. I say fetch put this one and I save this, and I can remove this one, no need of this. Save this, and you will see that in place of this we will have this one, but for that I need to refresh. Automatically it refreshes, so it coming here. Remember that. Now if I will click, I just close this. This is my fetch put, everything is same. This one fetch put, everything is same, just I did some modification. I want to show you here that the coding of put and post are almost same, just we have to replace here the put in place of post, and we have to give the ID of the data that we want to update by the API, and we have to change the data according to that, like we do in inserting information. Everything is same here, we modified as per the information want to display. I click on updated data If our data is updated, you see automatically we have this information. Now if suppose I change this ID and I say ID is 111 that I inserted last time, and then you see it refresh, automatically gone, then I click again and you see insert is information is inserted and it displaying only the 1 but not 111, because here I using the API 1 only. So if I say 111, I refresh once again, you see, and I restart it once again. Now I click on this and you see it's a fake API, it's generating an error. Why it's generating an error? Because this information is not available on the data, this ID. So for that I need error also, but it's not displaying the error. Why? Cast to lang string. This information means this ID is not available. So I can put this ID. This ID is looking like a integer string. So I convert this into the string, then I try to execute it once again, and here I put under the string like this way. Save this and I make it reloading. You see, now I click once again and you see we have the error because this ID is not available. The problem is that, so in post query we can only modify the record that is already available. 111 is not available, ID 1 is available. So I need this is number type, data type, and this is 1 that is available, and I need to pass here ID 111, only 1, because we can update the information only that is available on a server, not all information we can update. This is the change between put and post. If it would be post, then there would be no error, but it is put and it can update the information that is only available on a server. So here now I click and you will see it will generate the information. You see this information is available, one ID is available. I try to give ID number 2 and here I give ID number 2 and try to update this also. So I click here and you see ID 2 is also available. So we can update the information only that is available on a server. That 111 inserted by me and that is not actually inserted on a server, that's why generating error, but it not throwing this error on this. That is the problem. If I put 222 like this and I try to update information, it will generate error, and this error is not coming to this. This is fake API, can't do anything in it because it's work according to their setting. So their setting is like this, that's why generating error. I will make this in my Spring Boot API also. I will show you this in live. That right now I can't do anything because it's a public API available here, so we can't change the output of this. We can just only show that I'm putting information, I'm passing ID that is already available on this server. So 2 is available, 1 is available, I think 3 is also available. So we can put here ID number 3 and it will update 3 also. You see 3 is updating. So each and every ID will update that is available on this server. So like this way we can run put method also. We can update the information by using fetch function here in React Native with Typescript, and here I can also update the put function, not post, like this. If you understand how to use put function for updating your records using fetch function in React Native with Typescript, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.